Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to make jetpack escape game. So we will remove Toby and add our sprite, astronaut and our backdrop. We will convert it to vector and increase its size. Now we will go to astronaut and go to blocks. Now we will take a start button. We will go to costumes and select text option and fill color green. We will write here start, and now we will change its style to marker. We will put it in the center of the button. Now we will do coding of our button. When green flag clicked, motions go to X0 and Y0 so that it will be in the center of our screen and show. Now we will take when the sprite clicked, broadcast a new message, start. We will go to sound and start sound pop. We will go to looks and hide. Now we will go to astronaut events. When green flag clicked, go to X minus 115 and Y 0. We will go to looks and set size to 20%. So now it will happen like this. Start. Now we will make a sprite, space bar, fill color gray, little dark, like this, and outline of black. Thickness 2. We will make like this and write here space bar. Fill color black. We will increase its size and put it in the center. Now we will make arrow keys. I have arrow keys PNG, you can download it from Google. We will decrease its size. We will go to spacebar, select it and copy and paste here. We will remove spacebar. For arrow keys front, decrease its size. That's perfect. And type here arrow keys with black color. We will put it here. We will decrease the arrow key size little bit more. And now we will do coding of our spacebar. Events when green flag clicked, hide. When I receive start, looks, show. Events when the sprite clicked, broadcast, new message, spacebar. And we will duplicate hide and put it here. We will go to sounds. Place sound pop until done. Now we will do coding of our arrow keys. When green flag clicked, hide, events, uh, when I receive start, looks, show, we will duplicate it, and when I receive spacebar, hide. Events when the sprite clicked, broadcast, a new message, arrow keys. We will take sound pop and spacebar. We will duplicate it when I receive start and change it to arrow keys and duplicate hide. Now we will paint a new sprite or with white color. Now we will do coding of the same when green flag clicked, looks, hide. When I receive arrow keys, hide, we will duplicate it and change it to spacebar and again duplicate it and change it to start and remove hide and put here show. Now we will put it arrow keys here. We have to remove this and this so that it will not disappear. We will decrease its size to 80 and spacebar also to 80. Y0 and arrow keys Y0 or Y. Now we will go to spacebar and put it all here. When I receive start motion, go to X and here we will put it here, duplicate hide and place it here. When I receive start motions, go to XY and no XY 25 and 0. Now we will go to events, broadcast, new message which is start 2. We will duplicate it and when I receive space bar, when I receive arrow keys, we will put it here. Now we will do coding of our astronaut. We will take a sound. I will upload it. When I receive start to forever loop sounds, play sound background until done. Events when I receive start, looks, hide. And when I receive start to show. When I receive arrow keys, wait 1 second. Forever loop, motions, if on edge bounce, controls, if then, sensing, key pressed, up arrow, motions, change Y by 8, point in direction 105. We will go to costumes and duplicate it. We will erase its flame so that when it come down, it sees like the jetpack is off and rename it astronaut and here astronaut 2. Looks, switch costume to astronaut. We will duplicate it and change it to key press down arrow. Switch costume to astronaut 2. Change Y by -8 and point in direction 90. So it works like this. Now we will duplicate it again and change it to right arrow. Switch trim to astronaut, point and direction 105, and we will remove change y by 8, and we will put here change x by 8. We will also do same here, but we will do here minus 8 and point and direction 60. Now we will do coding when we receive a space bar. When I receive space bar, wait 1 second, forever loop, if then else, we will duplicate up arrow coding and paste it here. Now in else we will duplicate it again and here astronaut 2 and change y by 8, point in direction 90. Now we will upload our obstacle. Now we will do coding of obstacle. When green flag clicked, looks, hide, events. When I receive, start to, looks, hide. Forever loop. If then, operators. We will took operator and for obstacle we will make a variable score. When green flag clicked, set score to 0. Events when I receive, start to, forever loop, variables, change the score by 1. Control, wait 1 second. Now we will go to obstacles and put less than operator in one side and greater than operator another. We will go to variable, take score and put it here and here and write here 1 and 20. We are making levels in it, so we are doing like this. Control, create clone of myself, wait 1.5 seconds. We will duplicate it and paste it here and write here 20 and here 40 and change wait 1.5 seconds to 1 second. We will duplicate it again and paste it here. If then score equals 40 and 60, wait 0.5 second. We will remove the last if then loop. When I start as a clone, looks, show, go to X 350 and for Y we will go to operators, pick random between 77 and minus 143. Control, repeat until sensing. Operators, we will take equals to operator and write here minus 350. We will go to motions and take here X position so that when our obstacle reaches at the left side it will delete and change X by minus 10. We will take if then we will duplicate equals to operator and put it here. If then X position equals to minus 171. Delete this clone. Now for scrolling backdrop, we will go to backdrop and go to backdrop. We will duplicate it and paste it again. We will make it like this so that it looks like our astronaut is moving forwards. As you can see that there is a line in between which is coming. So to remove it we will take rectangle and where the line is coming we will make it here. We will make it. Now it is done. So let's do coding. When I receive start to forever loop looks next backdrop controls wait 0.5 seconds. As you can see that our astronaut is as you can see that our astronaut was touching the obstacles but the game was not over. So we will do coding for the same. We will take if then loop, sensing, touching obstacle, sound. We will take a sound, dun dun dun, and place it here. And take stop one. Now it is done. Let's see it. We have done this here, so we have to do this here also. To take here, if one edge bounce, in spacebar also. Now let's see it. Now our game is ready. Let's see it. As you saw that our game is working properly. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and subscribe.